first time I am addressing to you in English language. Uh, I have talked about many subjects and topics. Today I have chose a political topic for my video. Uh, you see, all the time there is a song that democracy is flourishing. There is democracy. Here is democracy. Democracy is a very vague game. Democracy in the third world countries, in my view, is fascism. Elections are conducted. There is a prime minister, there is a cabinet, and there are MNAs and MPs who are representative of peoples. And it is said that democracy is the people, by the peoples, and for the peoples, but only at the surface level. Nothing is done for the people's will. Nothing is there for peoples. Only the benefit goes to a class that is ruling, that is amalgam of civil and others strata. The democracy in third world country is not a real democracy. That is in Britain, US, and others Germany-like countries. So here is democracy is not in true sense. That is the democracy of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, democracy of Western countries that give importance to their masses, their peoples. When they are on the road, their demands are accepted. But here, the people are on the road all the time, 24 hours, but no importance is given. There is shelling, there is a water cannon, there are bullets, and there is a punishment, and there is many other such likes punishment are given to those protesters. But no one handles such like issues in a calm and peaceful manner. That is the need of the hour. So the democracy in third world country is not a true democracy. It is on the surface level a democracy, but in depth that is called fascism, where a group of peoples rule over masses without their will, without their consent. Thank you so much to listen to me.